Do a little dance, make a little love, get down tonight. Ooh, hello. Bird feeding time. You'll never guess what they've done while I've been out. They've mowed the lawn. I know. Oh my goodness me. They've cleared everything. There's not a gun in sight. Oh my god. Now I just need a cat not in sight. Yes. Right. Went to Wilco's because I was running out of things. So I got, look, can you hear them? They've heard the whistling. Yeah. Got a bag of mealworms. And I don't know, where did the other video go? I'm not being a minute. Where did the other video go? Did it go on to YouTube or Patreon? But in the other video I said I needed another one of these. So I got one. They were £1 from Wilco's, this was. And the mealworms have gone down to £4. I need to go and get 10 bags. They keep me going. Right. So we have another one of them. So we're going to fill the mealworms up. I know I'm out of them. And we're going to fill that up. We're going to fill that one up with a... Just have a look over here. Sorry, I scared me to produce them. Was that going to be a blooper then? That was funny. Right. So we'll tip them out. I know. Why is there all seeds here? Who kept taking hands out? Little monkey kept putting hands full of it on. Okay. Is any of these left? Are they all empty ones? I'm going to tip these down the garden because they're empty ones. Put them over there. I won't be long. Right. What have we got in here? That's an empty bag of mealworms. My nuggets are still doing good there. So we want another, because I couldn't, that was it, I couldn't get any coconuts, could I? That's why I needed another one of these for the box. So in that goes. So now we've got 2 suet blocks out. That looks like it's leaning even more now, so has somebody been playing on it? Oh, they went into it with the lawnmower. Okay. Right. So we want a new bag of mealworms. Oh, they stink. Even though I put so many out, they don't last very long at all. So that's that filled. Now I just need to fill my table up. Right, so we'll do the sunflower hearts this time on here. I just dropped them all over the floor. And then up. Some seed here, but that seed's quite full. Put some sunflowers out. Because the squirrels like these. Right, got room for one more thing. Oh, they're there. I was going to say, where's all my balls gone? But they're here. Right, so we'll put peanuts out, I think. Because we've got a bag and a half of peanuts. Yes, we'll finish these peanuts off. And there we go. There we go. they've got a 3-course meal in there. They've got the seed in here. Still got plenty of those nuggets left in there. New syrup block, mealworms, peanuts. And I want to get my bird table to drink my water at some point. So I'll put this back in here. There. There we go. Hello. And your little bird just flew down and he's there waiting for you to move. Here. Oh, it's going that way. He's in the trees. In this one here. You can just see him here. So, I'm not belong, mister. Yes, so bird table, all nice and filled for a beautiful day tomorrow. Yes. Don't forget to like the video for me. Subscribe to my beautiful channel. What was that? Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and my amazing Patreon, or Adelesexyuk. The link to my page is in the description box below. Click on that and you'll zoom straight on over to my Patreon. And I'll see you all soon, my lovelies. Watch out for the midgies. Goodbye.